Hello, in front of me I've got Starsand Island. In this video I'll show you how to expand your land. In order to expand land, firstly let's go to Workpedia. We have to reach junior level on exploration, ranching, fishing, farming or crafting. After reaching junior level, let's go to phone and go to buy land. Now we can buy new land. Remember that buying land costs gold and money. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.